Maui Taylor and I play the role of Martha dito sa Wish Ko Lang. And as usual, hindi na nag-iba, kontrabida pa rin po tayo. I'll be playing the role of Abby's mom. So, isang dapat kaabang-abang na kwento dahil tungkol to sa mga batang nag-away na pati ang magulang nakasama. Wish for my family. Siyempre, sana good health, longer life for everyone, and peace in the family. I'm not saying magulo kami kumbaga parang peace lang. Walang nag-aaway, walang nagkakuhan. And for my kids, I wish na yung mga kids ko would grow up maturely, they would grow up in listening to God's word, and masunurin ng mga bata. For my friends, sana yung friendship, I wish na yung friendship namin, well, my current friends, alam naman ang lahat ng mga yan, sana tumagal pa yung friendship namin for more than a lifetime. For our country, nako, sana matapos na yung away-away sa Pilipinas when it comes to politics. Sana magkaisa na ang ating gobyerno at para mapaunlad ang ating bansa. For the whole wide world ngayon, as we all know, nagkakagulo ngayon, there are wars everywhere. So I pray for world peace. I wish for world peace. Sarili ko, sana maging totoong happy na ako. Like, 200,000% happy. I hope I find my true love.